guys playing with the toy together? Are you guys playing together? No, Anna, you guys have to share.
I don't want to.
You need to play with Titus, honey. Anna, give it back to Titus. It's Titus's toy. He's sharing with you. You need to go play with him.
You play at the crime and you can. I will hold it. Wait.
Okay, share with him. Share with him, honey.
The starfish is twanging the banjo.
You're gonna bring it over so he can play with it. Put it in between you guys so you guys can both play with it.
There are bubbles. Bubble came in there. Bubbles. Bubble in there, Mama. That where the baby go?
I think it's time for night time, okay?
Anna?
Time for a nap. Titus thinks so.
The dolphin is playing the piano.
Shake your booty, shake your booty, shake your booty.
You need help out?
I
No.
want to play.
You guys can play together. It's called sharing.
John, and the triangles. Yeah, there's a triangle. You found it. Good looking. Are you to the town? Yeah, there it is.
The starfish is twanging the banjo.
You ready for nap time, Anna?
No. I'm playing with it. We're tired of
Titus fell down, huh?
No, don't.
Titus is rubbing his eyes. That means he's tired. It's time for a little nappy, okay? Let's put the octopus down and we'll play with it later, okay?
But later.
Yeah, can you turn it off? Mommy's tired too. Can you turn off the octopus and we'll play with it later? Anna? Tootsie?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, all through the snow. Jingle bell, jingle
Anna.
bell,
Hey, Cupcake. Will you turn it off, please? Thank you. No, we'll play with it later, okay? Let's go tonight, okay? Look at Titus, he's stuck down here. He's so tired.
I do.
Are you gonna, yeah, you're tired too. Give him a big hug. Oh, so sweet.
I'm sleeping on Titus.
You're sleeping on Titus. Oh, how sweet.
Hey, Daddy.
His
I said
belly.
we're a tribute on tape.
Okay. Let's go night-night.
Your belly.
He's got a belly button.
You got a belly button.
He's got a belly button.
You got a belly button.
Does Anna have a belly button? You do too. Oh, wow.
I have a belly.
You guys both have belly buttons.
Do you have a belly?